Which is the leading occupation in Uttar Pradesh that plays a vital role in economic development? Answer is agriculture. Where is the headquarters of the North Eastern Railway Zone? Answer is Gorakhpur. What is the name of the International Cricket Stadium in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Green Park Stadium, Kanpur, Greater Noida Sports Complex Ground, Greater Noida, Bharat Ratna Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekna Cricket Stadium, Lucknow. How many central universities are there in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 6. Name the 6 central universities in Uttar Pradesh. Answer is Aligarh Muslim University, University of Allahabad, Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Banaras Hindu University, Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University, Rani Lakshmi Bai Central Agriculture University. How many IITs are in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 2. IIT Kanpur, IIT Varanasi. How many state universities are in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 31. How many deemed universities are in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 8. Where is National Sugar Institute? Answer is Kanpur. Where is Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Aligarh. What are the popular folk musics of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Sohar, Kazari, Ghazal, Qawwali, etc. What are the major languages of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Avdi, Bhojpuri, Braj Bhasha, Bundeli, Hindustani, Kanauji. Which place is also known as the birthplace of Lord Ram? Answer is Ayodhya. Which city is called India's first smart city? Answer is Noida. Which city in Uttar Pradesh is called the City of Love? Answer is Agra. What is the nickname of Ghaziabad? Answer is Gateway of Uttar Pradesh. Which city in Uttar Pradesh is called the City of Ghats? Answer is Varanasi. Which major festival is held every 12 years in rotation at Allahabad on the river Gangas? Answer is Kumbh Mela. What is the nickname of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Taj Nagri. Which are the top IT cities in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Agra, Lucknow, Prayagraj. Which month is the hottest month in Lucknow? Answer is June. How is the weather in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Uttar Pradesh has a humid subtropical climate. When was Lucknow Zoo established? Answer is 1921. What is the nickname of Lucknow? Answer is the City of Nawabs. How many municipal corporations are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 13. How many municipal borders are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 226. How many development blocks are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 822. How many Nyaya Panchayats are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 8135. How many urban bodies are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 915. How many Gram Sabhas are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 59,163. How many post offices are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 1,80,000. How many telephone exchanges are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 2,885. How many populated villages are present in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 9,7941. What is the strength of the Legislative Assembly of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 404. How many members does Uttar Pradesh Legislative Council have? Answer is 100 members. Which are the major crops grown in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is arhar, barley, moong, maize, millet, paddy, urad, wheat. Which is the longest national highway that passes through Uttar Pradesh? Answer is NH2. What is the length of the longest national highway in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is 752 km. What will be the name of the world's longest expressway? Answer is Ganga Expressway. What is the name of present India's longest expressway? Answer is Purvanchal Expressway, 341 km. Which is the largest city of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Kanpur. What was the population of tigers in Uttar Pradesh in 2018? Answer is 173. Where is the headquarters of Gautam Buddha Nagar? Answer is Noida. When was the Uttar Pradesh Panchayati Raj Act signed by the Governor General? Answer is 7th December 1947. Who held the post of Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh for the shortest period? Answer is Chandrabhanu Gupta, 19 days. Who has the right to dissolve the Legislative Assembly at any time in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is the Governor of Uttar Pradesh. What is the full form of UPLA? Answer is Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly. Where is Taj Mahal located? Answer is Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Where was the Indian Mutiny when the First War of Independence of 1857 started? Answer is Meerut. When did the Kakori conspiracy case in Uttar Pradesh happen? Answer is August 9, 1925.